Hello everyone, I'm welcoming you all once again to this channel. So in today's session of Fortran programs, we will see how to use function in Fortran program. So today's code will be based on how to structure a function. So very simple code I have written here in this online compiler. What I am showing here, that our code started with this program main, and here we have taken a real variable, those are num and result. Then we are entering a number and we want to find the square of that number. So here we have written the result is equal to square of that num, but the square we will define inside this function. So here we have written that this code contains this function. So the function to compute the square of a number is written like this. So the function is a real type function. Real function, the name of that function is square, and it will take the variable as x. That means that number value, like the square it will return to us, is nothing but x square. And here also inside a function we have to define all the variable, and like whatever variable we want to take, we have to define again. And so here I have defined this real intent in. So this is for the input, and the input here is x, and the square will be, it will return to x equal to x into x. Otherwise we can also write x double star 2, and then end the function which is square. And here one thing we have to notice that, so while starting the function we have written square, which is a function of x, but at the end of the function we are writing only square, and then at the end we can end the program. Also another thing is that the variable that is x, which we have defined inside the function, is not defined here. So it is like, so it is very simple that we can whatever the int is, like the input variable we will use in the function, that that we don't need to call before that. We can call it, like we can define it, and we can call it inside the function, and we can only show the result in the main program. Like here the result is equal to square into num. So this way we can go. So let's go and run this again. So enter a number. So I am entering a number, like any number I can enter. So here I am entering 30. So you can see the square of the number is 900. So this way it will go forward, and it will show us the correct result. So this code is mainly about how to structure the function in Fortran, and that's it for today.